take advantage of this new visa-free for 30 days entry. Come and explore the place, why not? Hi and welcome to another video. Today this is going to be my trusty steed. We're in Nantong. I'll show you around here, it's pretty quiet. So we're going to go into town. It's going to take me over an hour riding this through the traffic, and I'm going to find somewhere nice to go and eat some lunch. So come on, let's get on and go. See ahead there is the road to Shanghai. It's about 120 kilometers to get to Shanghai from here. Alright, I just like exploring random places, so really got no idea where this leads, so let's go and have a little look. See if we can find anywhere interesting. These are all the farmers' fields. There's just shit everywhere. People do tend to leave their crap lying around. I've got a feeling this is going to lead to absolutely nowhere. It's just going to be fields for farmers. I just kind of like doing a bit of off-roading. Reminds me when I had a dirt bike. Hey. Should we have a look? Yes, my friends, I've got a feeling we cannot go any further. No. Fucker. Right, let's go back over the bridge of death. These little wheels make it quite squirmy on the mud. Right. This is all like industrial areas, factories, places that make stuff. That's why it's so quiet, it's just always dead. Like you stop there, there's like masses of trucks go on the highway, but I try and avoid them if I can. It's still polluted. I don't know if you can see, it's sunny, getting warmer. It's now kind of mid-Feb, getting warmer, but it's still quite polluted. Haze of pollution. Yeah, I'm really not the kind of person who can sit inside and do nothing. I go insane. I have to be outside doing stuff, which is half the reason why I call my channel Constant Movement, because I guess what you call slightly ADHD, or that's what my wife calls me. I always got to be doing something. Anyway, means I can take you with me. So today we are riding probably an hour, maybe hour and a half, could be further, doing 20 kilometers an hour on these little blue bikes, and we are exploring some of China. Nantong, China, in Jiangsu province. Very near Shanghai. Well, I say very near, it's like 150 kilometers away from Shanghai, like downtown. So it's not exactly next door, and it's not exactly easy to get to. So on a day off, if I want to go into Shanghai, which is where the life is, there's busier places, then it is like to get the train at least an hour. To get to the train station is an hour, and then to get the train is another hour. And then if you want to stay overnight, so you've got to pay for the taxi to get to the train station. That is like 100 RMB. Train, another 100 RMB. Overnight in a cheap hotel, 200 RMB. So that's even before you get to Shanghai, you're spending all that. So I don't tend to go there like every weekend. Oh wow, look, so many trucks. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you this. Alright, I guess all these are queuing. Sorry, sniffing. Oh wow. My God. Like literally the trucks are queuing all down there. All down those trucks. These guys are giving up, turning around. It's mayhem. Yeah, everyone's going. This guy's doing some videoing, I guess. Right. Look at that. Don't know what's going on the highway. Maybe the bridge is closed to Shanghai. Who knows? You see, some of these areas could be really nice. I mean, comparatively, it's not exactly Swiss Alps or Austria, but they could be very nice, but you just feel that it's all a little bit polluted, and a little bit of crap everywhere. But it gives me my little nature fix, which is what I need. A bit of greenery, a bit of being outside. Don't function very well without it. So another reason why I'm leaving China in a few months' time. Yeah, that's another reason why we are leaving China. I've said it on a few of my other videos, but China's nice, you know, it's okay and it's served its purpose. And if you want to earn good money, China is a good place to come. You have to sacrifice a few things, some personal freedoms, but China's nice. I've enjoyed it. This is my 9th year in China, and if I hadn't enjoyed it, believe me, I wouldn't have stayed here 9 years. But the time has come where we've got to move on. Basically, and majority is down to the internet is basically non-existent for Westerners. There's like no Western internet access. Very, very hard to do anything that you need to do for like normal life. So yeah, so that's one major reason. A few other personal reasons that I won't go into right now. Right, let's work out where we're going. Am I going to get killed? No. Actually very busy. This area is normally absolutely dead. There's normally nothing, no one. This is nice here, actually. They have these electric vehicle side roads, so you're away from that mayhem on these little scooters, motorbikes, other things. Right, I can't work out why it's so bloody busy. Is this the Popo? Yep, that's the Popo. Wowee. But I tell you, you can see now the amount of heavy cargo lorries, shipping containers, dodgy canisters full of God knows what, being moved around. Look at this, it's just massive. Nantong, Shanghai area is a huge port city. Like, you look on the river, on this bit of the river, and there are so many ships, it's unbelievable. Wow, look at this. It's going on and on and on. All lorries, all trucks. Again, try and get through without dying. It's a little bit hectic. Oh, there's a Popo. My God. Okay. That elevated road is the one that goes into Nantong. We, however, understandably, are not allowed on that road. We have to contend with these monsters. Nicer place to go. Yikes. Can I get through there without dying? Maybe not. Right. Now I need to get off this. That's what that little red bit is the one I'm going to go on. Right, we're off that road. I'm going to chest mount you again so you can see a bit more. We are back to looking at the lorries, shipping containers. Oh, by the way, this bike's quite nice. It's got hand mitts. Keeps your hands really warm. The other day, yesterday actually, when I went out videoing, absolutely freezing. Yeah, I got told to wear a helmet yesterday by the police. Luckily she didn't do anything, but I know that it is actually against the law not to wear a helmet. Imagine being a trucker. But we sit there all day, not moving. This has got to be at least 5 kilometers of trucks. And I'm thinking maybe more actually. This is green, we can go. Right. I wasn't planning on coming this way. That's another thing about just being on these things and having absolutely zero agenda. I just follow my nose. If anything looks interesting. Right, it's speaking to me. I got a feeling it might run out of juice any minute and I'll push it back. Yeah, it's now no longer going, so I've got to go back to that area. Right, I need to go up a bit. There's a little tiny passageway. I've got to push the bloody thing. Can you imagine? I got to push. No, we're out of zone. This is what happens when you get out of zone. It just dies. Let's see if it's going to go. Not yet. So yeah, if that happens, super annoying, and you've got to push the bloody thing back into the right place. Which is probably down there where it started yapping at me. But I hope you like the quality of the video footage now and the audio. I've got a new setup. I've got a DJI Nano camera, which I really like. Very small and unobtrusive. And the DJI mic too. So I've got that on now, and that's on doing wireless audio. So I'm hoping you enjoy the quality a lot more. My investment in quality content. Hey, come on. If you just heard that, we are back and going, right. Alright, let's have a little go through Net Day Eco Corridor. Bit more peaceful. No truck jams yet. Guys fishing in the lake there. Yeah, even though I'm leaving China, I think China has a lot to offer. Culturally, it's very interesting, and I would say if you got a chance, take advantage of this new visa-free for 30 days entry. Come and explore the place. Why not? What you got to lose? Get a ticket, aeroplane ticket, come here, 30 days, travel around. If you only ever come once here in your life, you'll just find it's quite eye-opening. Culturally, very, very different to the West. There's an awful lot to see. I love just going out on the bikes. Just can go out wandering every day. Very interesting. Right, still getting used to using the Nano and this magnetic thing, which is super cool and very good. But I keep getting things in the bloody way of it, like my coat, or little things like this go in the lens, which I'll show you. So it kind of ruins the footage, which is very annoying. But I've only had it a few weeks, so still getting familiar with it. But I do like it. It's a really handy little camera, and I like the fact you can do this and take off the top bit, and then I can speak to you and have this separately. Super handy and very cool. Mountain of oranges on the side of the road. Let's follow her. Red light. so many places in the world where you can jump red lights. There seems to be one of them. At least today I am wearing my helmet. This is kind of interesting. In China they have, these are driving schools, where you basically do like an obstacle course. You go around, you go up a slope, you go around a few zigzags, you park. That is how you learn to drive. Right, that's where we're heading. Scenic area, Jingshan Scenic Area, Botanical Garden. I know it's taken us a while to get here, hey, but we're getting there. I told you I live in the middle of nowhere. Right, I've seen we can get across a little bridge down here. And yeah, do some scenic sightseeing along the Yangtze River. My bum is getting a bit sore sitting on this bike for the last couple of hours, or hour or so. So when I find a little cafe, me and you are going to go and have a drink. Yeah, we are now entering, that's Langshan up there. Alright, excellent, we are entering the scenic area now. Alright, let's go down there. Awesome. Right, this is what I was hoping to find. This is perfect. Right down by the Yangtze River. Big jetties from the factories going out to boats out there. Jetties going out to boats. That's what I was saying about the amount of river traffic. It's huge. Right, can I get through there? Right, you're going to go on my chest, see if we can get through. Okay, let's go. Looks like we can. It looks like there's been... Oh my god. That's why it's shut. Other side for bikes. Yeah, it's kind of nice out here today. Sun's finally out, finally getting warm. People are sat here. Oh, I wonder if I can get, it looks like down there. Some guy on his bike, time trialing. I do not want to give up the bike yet, so I know there's coffee down there, but I don't want to give it up just yet. See a way down. And there's some guy selling coffee, I guess. Not going to buy off him. I'm going to go somewhere else. Well, I wonder if we can get back up that slope on this bike. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to get a run up, 25 kilometers an hour, run up, hit it hard, see what happens. Are you ready for this? Where's it gone? It must be coming up fairly soon. Where is it? Where is it? This is it. Okay. Alright, gotta get off and let it go up. But we did it. We did it, my friends. We did it. Up we go. Ah, Nantong Costco Shipping Engineering. Outfitting. And there it is. Big holes in the road. Right, there looks like a much more interesting bit down there. How do I get down there? I'm guessing off-road. Right, this is more like it. That looks like a swimming pool area. Can you see that? That is a swimming pool area. Costa del Nantong. Can you see those boats? Can you see the number of boats out there? Huge amount. Huge amount of boats. Oh, let me just show you the top of Langshan. Can you see that up there? That hill, that's Langshan. There's temples and monasteries up there. It's quite a pretty little place to go. If you've got the time. How are you even meant to get in there? All railed off. But this is like kiddie area here. Big dolphin on there. I wonder why it's cordoned off. Oh, I know why. Because you've got to pay and go in there. That's why. Yes. It'll be open, I guess, in the summer. So it says this wall bit here is some Global Gardens hotel. It's a big fancy hotel. They actually look more like private houses in a hotel. Can you see them in there? Behind the trees. Yeah, you know what it's like when you're on your own. I was even umming and ahhing about bothering to come out today, but I'm so happy that I made the effort to get off my arse and come and explore. This is very nice, and I guess that's why there's so many people here. Yeah. Very happy I actually got around to doing something. More seaside views. I tell you what, that boat's moving pretty quick. So it is. So what do you think of this area? You like it? Should we come to more places like this? Yeah, there's quite a nice view of Langshan from here. There's even some sand, my god. Look at that. Sand on the beach. Sandy beaches. Not sure if I have to walk anywhere, I hope not. It's too slow walking, I want to be whizzing. That's kind of quaint, isn't it? This is where you come to China, see things like that, right? See, this is rather nice. This is why I came to China, to explore these kind of places. I don't really care about the big... I do like the big cities, so it's not true to say I don't like that. I like these places, I think they're very interesting. Wouldn't that be an awesome place to stay if you live there? And the little bridges. Hello.
Welcome to China.
Thank you
Like China.
very much.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Oh, England.
Yes, England. Yeah, China's very nice. I like it.
Yeah.
You're very good English.
I a lot.
You
lit.
You study English?
Huh?
You study English
Yeah.
at school?
这不是那么好，我想想。A lot good. My name is 朱以翔.
Oh, nice to meet you, Richard.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to China.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
Bye. Very nice little Chinese style restaurant. Local youths messing around on the bikes. And why not? My God, I remember when I was that age I did a lot worse than that. What is that little mini boat? Is that remote control or what? Why is that even there? Alright, I find the busy bit. So, I think I've done 40 something kilometers on the bike so far. So by the time I finish going out, by the time I turn around and head back, if I bike back, it means I'll have unintentionally done my 100 kilometer challenge. But it's not official because, hey, hello.
What's your name?
My name? Richard.
Yeah.
Richard?
Richard?
Richard, yes.
Can you take a photo with us?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. 哎，哥来合照。我来给你拍完，你再给我看。不是，咱们三个一块儿。Thank you.
No problem.
Thanks.
Okay, no worries. No problem.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
No problem, no
Have a
problem.
good day.
Thank
Goodbye.
you, you too. Bye bye. Yeah, that's kind of like normal. Like, I don't know why they like having pictures of foreigners. But I don't mind if they like doing it. Why not? I think it's kind of fun. This could be the place to get a coffee.
青春如同奔流的长河，一去不回，来不及道别，只剩下麻木的我，没有了当年的热血。抬头仰望着 那时候陪伴我的那个，这里的故事已是。
Right, well, we found the perfect place for a little cup of coffee. So just enjoying 15 RMB cup of coffee, overlooking that up there is Langshan. Actually there, I've just noticed, I'm going to go back that way, I've just transferred all the files my SD card was full. There's some international football match going on. And then over there is the city. Right, we'll finish this coffee and then we'll head off, shall we? Cheers. Right, we've only got 12 kilometers left on this thing. So, I'm going to swap it. Right, that whole day was 18 RMB. 18 RMB, it's £2. £2 for that whole day's entertainment. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get another one with gloves. Intercontinental Hotel. Intercon looks very nice. Look at that. Of course, big and fancy because it's the Intercon. There you go, Intercontinental. This is the entrance we came out of the other night when we went to the what's it called? Lantern Festival. Okay, that's the video ahead of me. So if you want to see that Lantern Festival video, that's what you're going to see. People hitting fire and stuff. Then you can watch that on the channel. Just a couple of videos back, you'll see that. I think what we'll do is we'll head back on the bike, get the whole loop done, complete, and get some food. It's getting cold, so by the time we get back it will be dark. It'll be dark and chilly, so yeah. It's kind of getting cold already, so we'll just head back home. Head back home. Whilst there's some daylight left. I've run out of battery, so whilst I charge and ride, I'm just showing you this place where I'm riding through. It's rather nice. So I'll see you in about 20 minutes or half an hour when you've charged up a bit. Right, we've actually got enough charge in this to allow us to keep filming for a bit longer, but I am freezing my nuts off. So I'm wondering if I can even be bothered to make it back home on this thing, or whether to bail and get a taxi. We might just stop and get a burger, a Wallace burger. Right, I'm freezing. I'm gonna start heading up, I think, a little bit because it's so fucking cold. Alright, we're going to cross here with a bibbing, of course a little bit of bibbing, and then I'm going to let me over. Of course not. I'm silly rich, of course I'm not going to let you over. Oh right, loads of crayfish. Nice. These are lovely. Yeah, I really like crayfish. I see why this place is so popular now. I might have to drop a pin and then come back to this place. And spray the water, keep them alive. There's loads in there. I am thinking I am going to go in here. Right, see what this place is all about. I really don't know if I fancy any of this stuff tonight. I mean, it's all okay, it's all good. Somewhere familiar, somewhere safe. Might just go in here and eat. Yeah, I think I'll just go in here. In Taciting, and just gonna get a sausage and then have a wander around here once I have something to eat and see if there's any other stuff that might be nice eating. So yeah, we're just gonna try small things as we go around. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, oh, they're little mini sausages, so let's have a look. There we go, little tiny things. So we've got three for 8. I don't know, very oily. Quite tasty. Alright. It'd be nice to find something to have a beer. I might walk down the road in a minute and see if I can find somewhere that serves alcohol. Yeah, these food streets are very popular. Actually, I do remember someone showed me a burger joint down here the other day, so I think what we'll do is we will go and see if we can find that burger place. They said it was a very nice place to get a burger, so let's see if we can find it. Right, I believe this is the place. Let's see if I can get a burger. Yeah. 这个一个这个 burger 6对一个对没有啤酒啤酒吗啤酒啤酒
啤酒没有
对没有
有一点有哦有哦这个可以吗
可以 Little pussycat. Right, we're going to sit here and eat. But it definitely isn't as warm in here as Taciting. But it'll do. Burger and a beer. Be quite nice. Sit with a friendly cat. Session. Right. Burger looks very tasty. It's just been cooked, freshly cooked. And a beer. I have to say, actually, patty tastes nice. Oh. And that beer tastes very nice indeed. Right, burger in the beer, 40 RMB. Right, the question is, am I going to take the blue bike home? No, I'm not. I'm definitely not going to take the blue bike home. This place is called Humble Swag. There we go, Humble Swag. Humble Swag on the roof. Thank you, Humble Swag. That was very nice. Enjoyed it. I'll try and come back again. See ya. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. See ya. Yeah, that was good. Alright guys, well I think that is where I am going to end it for today, for tonight. Thank you very much for watching. It's probably going to be a very long video. So hope you enjoyed it. I had a surprisingly nice day. We spent a lot of time exploring around Nantong. It was great. I really liked going to the park, seeing all those interesting things, eating that burger, that swag, Humble Swag burger, very nice, and the beer, very nice. Wish I could find another one, and I'd also like to find a toilet right now. As per usual, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure spending some time with you today. Hope you liked it, and if you did, let's go and do the same thing again tomorrow. Or the next day. So we're in China now. Very soon we're going to be in Malaysia, no, Indonesia, Jakarta. Oh, that's going to be super cool. Can't wait to show you there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and then you won't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. One of my fellow YouTubers in Hefei, just down the road in China, was talking about kids pissing on the street. One there, in all this, just literally on the floor there, pissing. Mum holding the kid's legs up in the air, just a fountain of urine coming out in this busy area. Takes all sorts. Okay, that's it, we got the taxi booked. Going to cost 25 RMB to get back. Not a bad day, very successful. Cost us less than £5. Less than £5, maybe about £5, £6 to get around all day. Exploring, having a laugh together, been fun. And then food wise, we had the burger and the sausage. So that was about 50 RMB in food. That's pretty good. £11 for the day. Awesome. See you next time.